Popcorn Squad, welcome back to a new video, and today you can see it's real me, no games day, which means I'm going to be doing not really a review video, what I have. Okay, so these are all what I got for Christmas, because UK people, if they go to the shops, they can't just find squishies in shops, okay? They have to order squishies, unlike Americans and other people. Yeah. Okay, so basically, I also ordered some, but I can't find it. I was going to show it in this video, but and by any means, I am not bragging whatsoever. I just want to show you what I have. What are squishies wise. I don't know their names, so you can comment them down. Like, number one was Panda. I have quite a few Panda ones. Okay. So let's start off with my favourite jumbo ones. I'll start off with the Panda bun. So this is my jumbo Panda bun. That's the size of it compared to my hand. Let me just squish it.
There we go. It's loading in now, guys. Can't believe you
There
had
we
to
go.
wait for that long.
So this is the white one. I'll do the Panda buns first, then we have the blue one, which is smaller.
Yeah, she's showing her squishy.
Also, do you like my...
So
I need to stand in the light. Do you like my bear? I got him for Christmas too. Then I have this bitten, kind of burnt Panda bun, which is way smaller. They're the sizes. Also, guys, afterwards I'm going to join her game, so yeah. Let's move on to my other favourite one. So this is my other favourite jumbo one. Definitely a jumbo one.
This to get myself
smells so good.
or a father, whatever. Just, yeah.
These smell like pancakes. You smell like a red nose. Sorry guys, I'm full of cold.
But I want a family that's not too big.
This smells like pancakes and red nose.
Oh my god.
I don't know.
That's so personal.
Oh, this one smells so sweet.
So I'm just going to say I'm adopting that one.
This one's going to be called strawberry. I'm just going to put all the squishies that I've reviewed over there. This one actually has a package. This is the packaging.
Oh my gosh. Oh my
It's just some fries. Squishies. Which, to be honest, these two smell the best. Got to admit. I do have some dense squishies in here. This is one of my favourite dense squishies. I'll show my dense squishies now.
It's so hard to get a mum. Oh, please. Yay, get a mama.
Okay.
Set my front glass. I don't want to leave this.
Look, guys. That is not... It could be... It's squishy, but it's not so rising whatsoever. It just bounces straight back up, look.
Hello?
Sorry, that was not a good show.
The thing about this game, you have to type to your mum and everything.
This one's really nice.
So, yeah,
This one's like a
she's giving me a
thick
baby.
base coat one. If that's the thing.
Can't be
This
here.
one's like a thinner one, which means this one's much more stiffer. I'm full of cold air. This one, I like. This one's one of my favourite. One of my squishes I have on my bag, but I really can't believe just to run up and get a bag. It's basically this, but without the white icing, and you know how, let me get one what I mean by the pattern. I found scissors in there. Oh yeah, another dense squishy. This is another squishy. I don't know whether you saw a dense squishy. That's what the dense squishy looks like.
I want to go home, please.
Well, you know the type of pattern where you get a baseball, a racket, and then you squish it down like on slime, and it makes that crisscross pattern. Imagine that embraced into one of these, but without this white, and like it's like that colour. Like, yeah, you'll probably get what I mean. This smells like pancakes.
Oh wait, no, I know why she's saying yes, because I said, Mum, can we go home? Now she's saying yes, and now she's probably renting this for £100. No, I guess not.
I think she's expecting you to pay for it. Then a burger. These are all really cool because I haven't paid. I was about to say, like that type of pattern. But that's one's a denser. Also another dense one, which is a donut.
I only
And
have
this
dollars
one.
because I already spent.
Oh. Did I accidentally pause it some way through? If I did, I'm so sorry. But these are the squishies that I've reviewed so far. Let me see what I can make them ready.
Wait, how much does she have? That's what I want to know.
One.
Oh, I guess this is our house now.
Also, guys, while I'm looking for these, you could look for the big red subscribe button. Then once you found it, hit it. Okay, so then I have this squishy. Then I have this one, which matches. Where is it? 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 Where is it?
I'm just going to sleep.
I can't.
You sleep too.
There it is. Then a hot dog. Who speaks like that? Hot dog. Hot dog. I have a Kit Kat in here.
Oh, can I have a Kit Kat? I'm hungry. Well, my sleepiness is up. I just need to get that full of diamonds.
Also, do you like my name? Thank you.
Right.
Okay, so 1 minute.
I'm hungry.
1, 2, 3. Oh my god, I thought I just broke my laptop then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I mean,
I'm hungry.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. I don't know, but let me just make sure that there's a bunch of bath bombs in here and like nail polishes. I'll show you in it. Okay, so I've got this one. No, I can't be bothered. Sorry, that's why I excited you.
I'm hungry.
Are you angry? Wangry.
I'm
Wangry.
angry and I'm hungry, so I'm hungry.
This
Come on,
one's
give me
really.
food. Need
I don't know how.
food.
Guys, if you accidentally sit on a swishy, do you ever think that you've sitting on something and you've broke it because they're like squishy and you think that you broke it? Okay. Or you don't know what you're sitting on. Okay.
I need
So,
food.
this.
Mom, please. I'm going to get me. How do I feed you? You get me ice cream.
Okay, that's it for now, Popcorn Squad. Hope you enjoyed this video. Love you all. Peace out. Bye.